OpenAI just confirmed its first ever physical device, and it's nothing like a phone.
No screen, no keyboard, just a device built to live with you.
According to Bloomberg, this is a mobile, screen-free smart speaker designed as a home AI companion.
It's meant to sit in your home the way a lamp or a speaker would, always present. It'll control your smart home appliances, play media, and answer questions on the spot.
It can also respond to your messages, powered by the full range of ChatGPT's abilities.
Voice is central here. An advanced version of ChatGPT's voice mode drives every interaction.
So conversations should feel natural. The device is built to adapt as you talk.
But here's the part that raises eyebrows. This thing is designed to get to know you.
Sources told Bloomberg it becomes more personalized over time, even drawing on things like your emails.
The idea is a companion that anticipates your needs before you even ask.
Helpful? Sure. But also a lot of personal data flowing into one device.
And unlike a static speaker, this device is built to move. Bloomberg reports it has mechanical elements that move on their own. The goal, reportedly, is to make it feel alive, not just a machine following commands.
That's a bold design choice. It's part gadget, part presence in the room.
It's also expected to include a built-in camera and sensors to read the room.
And it won't be tied to one outlet. A rechargeable battery lets you carry it room to room.
So picture this: less phone in your pocket, more companion in your home.
The timeline being floated is 2027, though that could easily shift.
And there's a reason that timeline is shaky. OpenAI is currently being sued by Apple.
Apple's claim? Trade secret theft, tied directly to this hardware effort.
Apple alleges its manufacturing designs and prototypes were obtained illegally. The names involved matter. This team includes several former Apple insiders.
Most notably, Ive, former chief design officer of a major tech company, is leading the design work.
Apple's suit also accuses one engineer of taking a company laptop with confidential files on it. OpenAI says it's taking the allegations seriously, but denies seeing evidence they hold up.
Apple wants damages and wants OpenAI to stop using whatever it allegedly took.
And this speaker isn't the whole plan. Bloomberg says OpenAI is working on about 5 devices total. One of them, reportedly, is aimed at something bigger: replacing the smartphone itself.
That's a massive claim, and it tells you how far OpenAI wants to go beyond software.
OpenAI bought device startup IO Products for over $6 billion to make this happen. Bringing on Jony Ive was the clearest signal yet. This is a serious hardware bet.
So here's where it stands: an ambitious AI companion, a shaky legal cloud, and a 2027 target.
Whether it ships on time or ships at all in this form is still an open question.
Would you want an always-on AI companion living in your home? Let us know below. That's the story for now. We'll keep tracking this one as it develops. Subscribe to TechNovra. We break down trending tech stories as they happen.